Before you rush into your day, before you hurry to get ready for school or work, just take a pause. Pause for a minute. Not to check your phone, not to panic about what's ahead, just to be here. I know your mornings are busy, but this one small thing might change everything. I had to leave for school at 5:35, so I kind of know what I'm talking about. When you wake up, instead of rushing straight into the day, grabbing your phone, heading to the bathroom, getting dressed in a hurry, take a moment to relax. And yeah, what am I talking about? I'll be late, my bus will leave, I have so many things to do. But trust me, the peace you will feel from just sitting down for 2 minutes without your phone is worth it. It's not just about being still, it's about changing your attitude towards your work from the feeling of, I have to do this, to I get to do this. I get to feel fresh and clean before starting my day. Going straight to school after waking up is not something that anyone wants to do. It's one of the reasons we start hating school. It's not just the classes, it's the feeling that we never had time to breathe. Instead, what you can do is, straight after waking up, stretch into your bed for 2 minutes. Well, that didn't work for me because I felt like sleeping more. You can also go to your balcony to get some fresh air or listen to your favorite song and dance to it. If you can, wake up a bit earlier, even 15 minutes, just enough to do something that you enjoy. You can exercise if you want. Just before starting your day, do something that you want to do to give yourself the peace of mind and sense of control. But we can't always do that, can we? School is already early. Waking up more early is so difficult. So what we can do instead is take 2 minutes to pause and think. Compared to the days when I rush straight for getting ready, I feel more at ease and calm when I just sit on my couch for a while. I think it helps your brain breathe and prepare itself for the upcoming hell. Some tips that you can use to make your morning more energetic and happy is listening to music while you fresh up and get ready. Just don't get too lost in the melody. Laying out your clothes and packing your bags the night before. It removes the minute tasks that you have to do in the morning, freeing up more time. It also decreases the chance of you missing some important notebook or assignment to take. Happened to me a lot of times. Avoid as much as stress as possible in the morning. So tomorrow morning, just try giving yourself 2 minutes. No phone, no rushing, just you. Mornings don't have to feel like chaos. Start with stillness, even if it's just for a minute. We can't choose everything in our day, but we can choose how we begin. Try this for a few days and see if you notice any changes. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.